Welcome to Yoga Nidra. I am Lisa, and I'm going to guide you today through your Yoga Nidra practice. Come lying onto your back, into the pose that we call Shavasana. Let your feet flop out. Place your hands away from your torso and let your palms face up. Soften your face. Maybe curve your lips into a gentle smile and then close your eyes. Yoga Nidra means yogic sleep. In this deeply restorative practice, we are exploring our inner truth, connect with our subconscious, and completely relax our physical body on the surface you're lying on. In this practice, you develop a feeling of deep relaxation in your body. When relaxation becomes deep, sleep might come. Try to stay awake and aware of your breath and my voice guiding you. Now take a deep breath in and let your breath go through your mouth. Another deep breath in, and with your next exhale, let everything go through your mouth. It is time to take your sankalpa, your personal resolve. Think of a positive present tense statement that begins with I am. Maybe you are restless. Try I am peaceful. Maybe you feel a little bit out of balance today. Then go for I am connected. Choose your personal, positive statement and repeat it in your mind 3 times. Now, we are going on a journey through your body. Repeat the body parts I am naming in your mind and send your awareness towards that part of your body. We begin with the right side. Become aware of the right side of your body. Right thumb, second finger, third, fourth, fifth, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, right shoulder, armpit, waist, hip, right thigh, knee, calf muscle, ankle, right heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, right big toe, second toe, third, fourth, fifth. Feel the whole right side of your body. Now go to the left side of the body. Left hand thumb, second finger, third, fourth, fifth, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, left shoulder, armpit, waist, hip, left thigh, knee, calf muscle, ankle, left heel, sole, top of the foot, left big toe, second toe, third, fourth, fifth. Feel the whole left side of the body. Now to the back. Right shoulder, left shoulder, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, right lower back, left lower back, right buttock, left buttock, spine, the whole back together. Back of the neck, back of the head, top of the head, forehead, right temple, left temple, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, eyebrow center, right eye, left eye, right nostril, left nostril, tip of the nose. Right cheek, left cheek, right ear, left ear, upper lip, lower lip, chin, throat, right side chest, left side chest, middle of the chest, navel, lower part of the navel, upper part of the navel, right side of the navel, left side of the navel, whole abdomen. Whole right leg, whole left leg, both the legs. Whole right arm, whole left arm, both arms. whole back, buttocks, spine, shoulder blades, head, both eyes, facial muscles, throat, chest, abdomen, trunk of the body, head, and the whole body, the whole body, the whole body. Feel your whole body being still, calm, and peaceful. Begin to notice your breath, your natural breath, from the very beginning of your inhale to the very end of each exhale. Bring your awareness to the part between your upper lip and your nostrils. Feel your breath blowing gently over that part of your face. Start to notice that the air coming out of your nostrils feels slightly warmer than the new fresh air entering it. Observe your breath right there under your nose and start to detect that gentle shift of temperature coming in and flowing out, coming in and flowing out. As you exhale, that air is passing down over your body, releasing all your stress and all your worries. With your next inhale, you are breathing in a fresh breeze of air and peace. Exhale and feel the air releasing all your fears. Inhale deeply and feel the fresh air filling you with a feeling of safety, comfort, and strength. Now bring your focus to the center of your chest and allow your awareness to rest there. Now imagine your whole body becoming light. Your head is light. Your limbs are feeling light. Your torso is light. Your whole body is light and weightless. You are floating light and weightless, like a feather above the ground. Imagine your body becoming heavy. Feel the heaviness in all parts of your body. Each part is becoming heavier and heavier and heavier. The head is heavy. The limbs are heavy. The torso is heavy. The whole body is heavy. So heavy that it is sinking down into the floor. Now imagine that you are standing outside on a big, wide field, surrounded by high, green grass and weeds gently moving with the wind. You feel the soft grass under your bare feet, and a light breeze is going through your hair. You are standing on an open, wide field surrounded by nothing but beautiful and breathtaking nature. Your mind feels calm. Your body is peaceful. And you tip your face upward to feel the warmth of the sun. Smell the fresh air surrounding you. You start walking, gentle, slow steps. You have nowhere to be, nowhere to go. Making your way through the high grass that is caressing the skin of your legs. Not far away from you, you can see something else, something red blossoming out of the infinite green. As you step forward, you detect a single red poppy. shining bright and dancing gracefully in the wind. You sit down and observe its petals moving from the right to the left to right, coming toward you and receding back. Enjoy the ever-repeating rhythm of air. Once more, you return to gazing out over the wide, wide field, to that point where the earth meets the sky. Here, you look out and feel your personal resolve becoming true. Let yourself return to your sankalpa now and notice what you feel. Repeat it in your mind 3 times. Allow yourself to breathe deeply and to become aware of your body. From the top of your head to the tip of your toes. Visualize the room around you and the surface you're lying on. Lie quietly for some time with your eyes closed. Slowly start to bring some gentle movements into your body. Move your fingers, your toes. Maybe move your head from side to side. Or give yourself a nice and long stretch. Hug your knees into your chest and roll onto your favorite side. And then, when you feel ready and completely awake, come back up to a seated position. The practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete.